Hi guys, good morning. Shalom shalom with a humble heart. So I am Vel and today we will preach about the word of God and my life as a Christian following Jesus Christ. So there are days that we are struggling with our fleshly desires, right? So as for me, I've been struggling with lust, with sexual immorality, and God has been delivering me from it ever since I started my walk with God. There are days that I stumble, but you know what? The difference is your heart no longer desires it. It's just that you will stumble because there are days that you will be tempted, and it's common to our human nature. But I do not condone sin. So there are days that we hate our body for sinning. There are days that we try to condemn ourselves for stumbling, for not making it with the standard that we put in ourselves, because once you've become a Christian, you desire righteousness. That is what we all desire. And since we still have our human nature, the sinful nature, we tend to stumble, or we tend to not succeed, or we tend to not be the standard of perfection in our walk with God. But His grace and mercy is sufficient for us, right? But there are days that we truly condemn ourselves and we hate our body. So I have come to a point wherein, since I am already desiring righteousness with God, why do I still sin at some point in my life? Why do I still stumble? And then I have come to a point wherein I ask God, it's like it is better for me to die than to be tempted. Like it is better for me to go through death, or to die, rather than to go through this temptation and stumbling again, and having this get up stumble cycle. So that's what I told God when I was in a very frustrating situation, when I was in a situation wherein I really want to let go of this sin, but it seems like this sin has been chasing me and chasing me and chasing me. Even though I'm trying not to look back, it's just like it's like knocking at my life. And so God, I ended up having these thoughts of hating my body, of why does it desire this, why does it doing this, why do I still do it? My heart belongs to Christ. And you know what, guys? God speak to me in a way